miso soup. So this is how it's looking. Hello, those are green bananas that we are peeling. So we are going to prepare green bananas and golden apple home or simple home recipe. So first of all, I was washing, then pouring some water. That's the water that was nice. So I said it will just a little bit because the banana is ready super fast. So yeah, that's how it's looking, our bananas. So I placed them on a cooking stove. So those are the ingredients that I was going to. These are the eggplants. I'm going to cut them in 2 pieces. Yeah, I'm going to cut them in 2 pieces so that we can cook them. Yeah, so I've cut 5 garden apple like this one, of this size. Yeah, I've cut 5. So these are the ingredients: garden apple, then onions, tomatoes, garlic, green pepper, salt, and curry powder, and also cooking oil. Okay, so we are going to check on our food and see how it's looking right now. So it is starting to boil. This is how our bananas are looking like. They are ready. So I'm going to prepare the sauce so that we can put in. So we are going to put in this one like that. We have to wait for it to dry so that we can put in the cooking oil. So this is the cooking oil. So we used this yesterday for sambusa. So the cooking oil is enough. Now we're going to cook in our garden apple. How to fry them with cooking oil till they are ready. So this is how our garden apples are looking, but we have to fry them till ready. I'm going to put in the green pepper together with garlic like that. Wow. Then put in the onion just like that. Then mix them together. Wow. This breakfast is really super delicious. So here I'm going to pour in the tomatoes just like that. Get some salt according to your taste. cover for like 5 minutes. So let us now check on our sauce and see how it's looking. So this is how it's looking. Super delicious. You should try out this recipe. It's really easy. I'm going to put in this one, it's 80 grams curry powder. Curry powder. Don't say what is that, what you added in something you did not know. This is curry powder. This is how it's looking. Now, what we're going to do, I'm going to get some water from our matoke. Look at this. Pour inside. Then mix a little bit. So this is how our sauce is looking. So now we're going to mix in here with this. If you have your energy, you do it like this. There's some more water again. Like that. I'm going to add in some little salt. Oh, this is breakfast. It has to have some salt. Never cook dry breakfast. You bring matoke with no soup. So this is how it's looking. So delicious. So now we are going to cover like this for something like 5 minutes. Then we will come and switch off and serve our breakfast. So this is how it's looking. It's ready. Simple meals. So it's some garden apple for Georgia. Also soup. So this is how it's looking.